Is your iPhone stuck on the red battery screen and won't charge or turn on? This frustrating issue is especially common during winter months. Today I'll show you two simple solutions that can get your iPhone working again in just a few minutes. As you can see here, when I connect the charging cable, there's no response, no charging indicator, nothing. The phone appears completely dead despite being plugged in. This usually happens due to two main causes: a dirty charging port or cold weather affecting the battery. First, let's clean the charging port. Always turn off your device and unplug it before cleaning. I'm using a clean toothbrush with a small amount of isopropyl alcohol. You can also use petroleum-based cleaner, but alcohol is safer for electronics. Gently brush inside the charging port to remove dust, lint, and debris. Next, I'll use tweezers wrapped with tissue paper, lightly dampened with the cleaning solution. Carefully remove any stubborn debris from the port. Be very gentle to avoid damaging the connectors. Now let's test. I'll plug in the charging cable again. Great. Now we can see the red battery indicator appearing, which means the phone is recognizing the charger. The red battery screen means the battery is too depleted or cold to start up. Here's the key solution. We need to warm up the battery. I'm applying gentle heat to the back of the iPhone where the battery is located. You can use a hairdryer on low heat, place it near a heater, or even just hold it close to your body warmth. Never use excessive heat. We just need to warm it slightly. This is especially important in winter when cold temperatures can prevent batteries from functioning properly. After warming for about 30 seconds to a minute, the phone should start up normally. And there we have it. The iPhone is now charging and turning on properly, so you should clean your charging port regularly to prevent connection issues. In cold weather, warm your device gently before charging. Always use proper cleaning materials. Avoid water. Be patient. Sometimes it takes a few minutes for the battery to warm up. If these steps don't work, your battery may need professional replacement. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech repair tips.